Hey viewers, today we're going to be making stuffed pesto chicken breasts. This recipe comes together super easily into a flavorful dish. So we're going to start off with 2 ounces of softened cream cheese. Next we come in with a 1/4 cup of your favorite pesto. Next we'll add 2 cloves of minced garlic and mix everything together. Here I have 4 8-ounce chicken breasts. With a sharp knife, I'm going to cut a slit through the center of the chicken. You want to make sure that you don't cut all the way through, creating a pocket. Now I'm gently pounding the chicken breasts with a hammer so then they can be tender. We're seasoning the chicken breasts with these spices. Make sure to thoroughly season all sides of the chicken. This is a super versatile recipe, so the spices can definitely be adjusted to your liking. To help avoid a tough, chewy chicken breast, we're going to rub the outsides with plain cooking yogurt. In the meantime, thinly slice 2 Roma tomatoes and wash some spinach. Then we'll begin assembling our chicken breasts. First, we'll layer the inside of the chicken breast with the pesto mixture. Then we'll add in the tomato slices and layer the spinach on top. Repeat this for each of your chicken breasts and then use toothpicks to close them up. Heat up some oil and place in your chicken breasts. We're going to be giving them a light sear for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. After this, flip and sear the other side. In the meantime, go ahead and line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. You'll also begin thinly slicing up your favorite cheese. We used sharp white cheddar. After you've taken your breasts off the stove, put them on the foil and begin stuffing them with your cheese slices. Now they're ready to go into the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. And there you have it. This is a super easy recipe and a great way to spice up your plain chicken breasts. If you like this recipe, like, share, and subscribe.